This is Matt, and this is a short video on how to cancel the LinkedIn Premium free trial. So I currently had the free trial on this particular LinkedIn account of mine right here. So a couple of different ways you can do this. I'll show you the most straightforward way. So we have the Me section right here up in the navbar right here. So click on that. That will be a picture of you or your logo, brand, or what have you right there. So we come down to settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, and now we've got these account preferences open right here. So like I say, a few different ways you can do this, but come down to subscriptions and payments near the bottom, and you'll see manage premium account. So click on that one, and now you've got these options right here. So it says your premium LinkedIn account. I've got Recruiter Lite right here. It will tell you how long you have that particular account for, with a date and time right here. So you can switch plans, you can manage the subscription by changing your payment details and what have you right there. But the one that we want for the purposes of this video is cancel subscription. Click on cancel subscription. And now we will be going through the quick process that LinkedIn will try and convince you to actually stay. So every step of the way, you'll see keep premium free trial, like they usually do with these kind of end in free trial type scenarios. So we've got 30 days remain on the free trial. We can click continue to cancel. So you're going to want to do that. It will now tell you all of these key benefits that you'll lose. Once again, we can click keep, but I'm going to click continue to cancel. And now there's some more. Look, this is what you're missing. Benefits. They're throwing in Notion, Spotify, Nord, I think that is, Headspace over here. So they're throwing the kitchen sink at us, guys, but we want to confirm to cancel, of course. So we click on that. And just like that, it will tell you that your subscription has been cancelled. And now we can click done, and you will not be charged again. And if you do, for some weird reason, get charged again, you need to go straight to LinkedIn and ensure that that doesn't happen again. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.